Hello. For this problem here with rolling the die, I brought up the possibilities for rolling two dice so we could look at them, but it says let A be the event that either when you roll two six-sided fair die. So first of all, when you roll two six-sided fair die, to find out how many outcomes there are, when you roll the first die, there's 6. When you roll the second one, there's 6. Multiply it together. 6 times 6, there's 36 possible outcomes. So when we're finding the probability, we would be dividing by the total, which is 36. Looking at the first one, then it says event A, a 3 or a 4, followed by an odd. So the first, we'll say the first roll is the red die. 3 or a 4 would be these two rows. And then the second die, the green one, needs to be odd. So here's 2. This one's even. Here's 2 more, so 4. And these two, the green is odd, so 6. 6 divided by 36 will give you the 0.1667. The second one is the event that the two added together are at most 7. So at most 7 means 7 and below. When we look at the first column, all of these are 7 or below because this one's adds up to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it would be all 6 of these. The next one, it would be all of them up to here, so 5. Then this one would be here, so 7, 6, 5, 4, so from here down. So it's 6 plus 5 plus 4. This one's 3 of them, 2 and 1, because you want the ones that are 7 or below. And if we take 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, we get 21. 21 divided by 36 is 0.5833. Up. Okay, so on this one, it talks about mutually exclusive. Two events that cannot happen at the same time. So if we roll a 3 or a 4 followed by an odd, can we have the sum of 7? Well, if the second one has to be odd, and the first has to be a 3 or a 4, if we roll a 4 and then a 3, it's going to add up to 7. So the two do overlap. Because they overlap, they are not mutually exclusive. The independent events, one event does not depend on the other. Well, they do depend, because if we want the sum to be 7, depending on what we roll here will depend on the second one. So if we're getting the 3 or the 4, then it depends, that causes what needs to happen here to add up to 7. So the two depend on each other. So they are not independent events.